Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel for ACCA FR exam prep. My name is Eden, and in this video I'll be taking you through how we account for revaluation surplus and the subsequent treatment of the excess depreciation arising on the revaluation. Now this is an extract of a past question. Question name is Downing Co. The year end is 31st March. Now from the trial balance we have land and building, so the land component is 14 and this is cost, so the building component would be 50. We have accumulated depreciation at 1st April 2015. That should tell you that it's the start of the year. Then we have additional information. It says that due to rising prices for properties, Downing Co. decided to revalue its land and building at 1st April 2015. What it means is that you need to know the date the revaluation took place so you can account for it appropriately. So they've decided to revalue the land and building on 1st April 2015 to their market value. The values were confirmed at that date as land 16 and building 52.2, with the buildings having an estimated remaining life of 18 years at the date of revaluation. Downing Co. intends to make a transfer, from the revaluation surplus to the retained earnings. So how do we account for this? Very simple. We want to look at the workings for this in terms of a non-current asset schedule. So a non-current asset schedule. A non-current asset schedule. What I will do is to have my land and the building. So I'll have the cost. The cost, all these are in millions, so I'll put this here. We are 1450. Then I'll say accumulated depreciation. I'll take away the accumulated depreciation of 5, and this will give me the carrying amount at 1st April 2015. This is 14, this is 45. The next point is to look at the revalue. So I'll leave a line and say the revalued amount. This is 16, this is 52.2. Now we will have the revaluation surplus as the difference. This is 2, so let's check this for the revaluation surplus. This is 52.2 minus 45, that's 7.2. Now the transfer, so the transfer should equal the gain on the building divided by the number of years remaining, which is 18, and that will give us, so 7.2 divided by 18, that should give us 0.4 million. Now another way to look at this transfer is to say we want excess depreciation. Now the excess depreciation is the depreciation based on revalued amount, and that would be the 52.2 divided by 18, and depreciation based on carrying amount, that would have been 45 over 18. So let's check these two. 52.2 divided by 18, this is 2.9, and 45 divided by 18, this is 2.5. Now the excess is the difference, so now your excess is equal to 2.9 minus 2.5, and that is also equal to 0.4 million. So this is how we account for the excess. Now the excess, please note that it will be transferred, so the excess will be transferred, the excess depreciation will be transferred by looking at debiting the revaluation. So we'll debit the revaluation surplus. So we'll debit the revaluation surplus account 0.4, and we'll credit retained earnings 0.4 million, and this is how we account. So and this would be in the statement of changes in equity. So in the column for revaluation surplus, we deduct 0.4. In the column for retained earnings, we add 0.4. This is just a movement within equity. It has no change on the total equity. I hope this helps in your preparation for your exam for FR. Please subscribe to this channel to receive updates on new videos.